Well, I don't like to read books, but I want this video to be in good books. And yup, literally, books. So let's start. Once upon a time, there was a company called OnePlus, destined to be a leader of smartphone buzz. So in April 2014, they launched their first OnePlus. It was a huge success, invite-only smartphone, so to get it, you have to be blessed. By Carby. After an year, another smartphone came. It was also a huge success, but people wanted to spend less, so they launched OnePlus X. And it was a total mess. Even OnePlus accepts it. Then came the OnePlus 3 with Dash. It is one of the fastest charging method till date, so it was also a huge success. Change the tune, man. OnePlus 3T, a slight upgrade. OnePlus 5, dual camera made. OnePlus 5T, it was a raid. Top grade. Raid on every heart. OnePlus 6 got into shade and became best premium smartphone in India. OnePlus 6T, in one word, it's great. Their smartphone exhibited limitless nature and uninterrupted network legislature and a great picture. And the best hardware. They are my favorites. Love you, OnePlus. Thank you.